Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. So today I am super excited. I have had these before, but I have never made them before. So this is a first for me. Homemade Lahmacun. Homemade Lahmacun. I'm excited. And in here, drum roll. Let's see if we can get it out. If you've ever been to a Turkish restaurant in Turkey, I'm not sure. I think they do it over here as well in the Turkish restaurants. You will know. So let's see if... Turkish rice. Obviously I've made Turkish rice before, but not on my channel. So I thought I would make it for my channel. And to top it off a bit more, we've got some Ira. This is a yogurt and water and salt drink. Well, why not? We're going all Turkish. All Turkish. And I'm going to put a blob of yogurt over here. Natural. To put blob of yogurt there. So, cheers, me little dears. Oh, I've got a fork. What you would normally have with a Lahmacun. I'm going to have this one first because it came out first. So to cool down. Oh, I can't wait. My son's already had his. I was like, oh, I can't wait. Can't wait. And to enhance the flavour when you get Lahmacun, squeeze that lemon on. The best Lahmacun I've had, and this isn't me being biased, is from Adana. Same as with the kebabs. The best kebabs I've had are from Adana. Prove us wrong. So this is the cheating way. Normally you don't do them on wraps, you do them on fresh dough. But obviously I don't know how to do. Well, I could do the dough, but I'm first time trying it. Cheers guys, cheers. Do a little bit more lemon. Oh. Have some rice. Cooked perfectly. Have a bit of yogurt. Oh. So, this is something I've never had before. But I've seen a lot of, excuse me, I've seen a lot of Turkish content creators use it. And to be honest, I've never had it before. Never had it before. So we're going to give it a whirl if I can get the top off. So this is pomegranate molasses. I got this one from Sainsbury's. Oh, that is strong. So this can be used on salad dressing, marinades, or is it cordon? Let's do a teeny. Because again, I've never had it before, but I see a lot of Turkish content creators use it, so. That is actually really nice. Really nice. I am in heaven. 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 Rice is done perfect. It's actually homemade rice. Homemade. Done perfectly. Don't have a lot of losers. I'm in heaven. I don't know why I was so scared. I am going to change the recipe a bit to what I've used. Just to like enhance the flavour in a bit more. I don't know if it's because obviously the amount of mince what she used to what I've used, I halved everything. So I don't know if it's because of that. But I'm learning. I'm learning. So in here you've got, damn it. And there you've got red onion, fresh parsley, and some the lemon always enhances the flavour of the Lahmacun, by the way, guys. Just in case you are wondering. And I'll put lemon in with the onions and the parsley. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. Neither side of the meat, please. It's not a quick, it's not a quick and easy job to do. It takes a lot of preparation. It does. Oh my god. So I said to my son, I went, we could do this once a week. Can't believe how easy it was. Like, when I say easy, it wasn't easy. But I think I overthinked it, if you know what I mean. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to make it. And I'm so pleased I did. But the amount of mince I had, I thought, oh, it's not that much. I think I've still got enough mince for another 3. And he had 3, I've had 3. I'm so pleased I made this happy. I'm not getting full. I need a good burp. I make a cup. I don't know if I need a burp. I will not have it. I will remember. Any more? Last one. Ugh. I've had a cough and I've had a burp. Oh, honestly, so happy with these. So phenomenal. Stuffed. Definitely stuffed. Well, guys, I am stuffed. I could do with an eye down, but I'm not going to. I'm not. Nope, I isn't. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I'm so pleased I made it. So pleased I made it. Definitely. That has put me in fabulous mood. I could have done with that bit earlier. But never mind. And again. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I thoroughly enjoyed my meal. Thoroughly. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.